Welcome back to SDS Tutorial Center. My name is Raphael Chuku. Here again, we're back on the tutorial on Microsoft Word. How to use Microsoft Word to create documents and edit documents. Let us remind you also that we have a tutorial guide, masterclass, a structured guide to computer learning. This booklet will guide you on self-paced learning on the use of Microsoft Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, CorelDRAW, and Windows application, and a whole lot more for your company, for your organization, your offices, your institutions, and even for professional learning as well. So it's detailed with illustrations and graphics for easy understanding. So do well to lay a hand on one and for your friend as well. So today we are going to learn how to work with super and subscript, text effect, shading, and then text alignment. So we have already learned in our previous tutorial how to work on the font style, font color, text appearance, both italics and underline, changing casing and font sizes, font color, and the rest of them. So but today we're going to work on these things: super and the subscript, text effect, shading, and then text alignment. We can also go on to do more. We can do more. Okay, let's start off immediately. So what is a super and subscript? Let me use a practical illustration to make you understand it. So in mathematics or in arithmetic, you can have a base or exponent raised to power. You can have something like 10 raised to power 10 or 10 raised to power 3, such like that. 10 raised to power 3. You can have base. You can have base 10, as case may be. Okay, so let's start off with superscript, that is raised to power, that's exponent. So like I said before, you have to highlight the text that will have the effect. So I'm highlighting 10 because I want to do 10 raised to power. It's not actually the actual calculation, but the text part of it. If you want to type it, maybe exam, you're preparing your school's exam booklets, and you have something like that in mathematics or in statistics. So you highlight 10. Just look at this. This is base, that is subscript. You can see the shortcut control plus equal to. Then this is a superscript. So raised to power, click on it. You see, it's so simple. If it is a base 3 or something like that, click on it. You see, if it is a base 10, subscript. So it's simple. Then if you want to return it, you still highlight it. You see, once you highlight it, it will show you this superscript is active. The feature will turn to active. Notice that when you click away, the feature will not turn active. You see, it is not active. But once you click on the superscript text or word, it will turn active, like you can see. You highlight it back. If you want to remove it, you click back on it. You have deactivated it, so it's normal now. Highlight 3, click on it. You can actually from base or subscript and raise to superscript. You can actually deactivate it as well. So that is how to work with superscript and then subscript. Then let's look at text effect. Text effect. Okay, what is text effect? Just a beautifying feature in Microsoft Word. So if you want to add text effect to 1010, highlight it. Highlight it, just the 1010. Okay. Okay. Very well. we'll have extra space here, that's why. Okay, we'll highlight 1010. Then we'll look at the text effects feature. Here you can see this A with stylish design. Click on the triangular button to show you more styles. Okay, this is blocking the preview, but you are going to see it later. So if you choose this, click on it, you can see. I see, you notice. So I like this one, give it its own text effect. You can see outline, you can see shadow, you can see reflection. You see there are just variety of text effects. So but let's just choose the simple ones. You can choose this golden one. So you might have need for such thing, be able to implement it in Microsoft Word. So let's go straight to shading. What is shading? Actually the underlying color of the text. So when you highlight the text, for example this, you go to shading, you look at the shading here, say the name, go to the triangular marker, you choose the color. See, once you point to it, it will show you the shading. See, this an underlying color, that's the color behind the text. See, so if this is what you want, click on it. If you want to remove it, highlight it back, go back there, click on no, say it here, you click on no color, it will just be gone. So that is it for shading. Okay, notice that because when we did it before, the color was actually 100% width, but now if you make sure you just highlight the text that you want, not like this, but just like this, the actual extent of the text that you want to be shaded. So you see, simple. So if you want to remove it, you highlight back, you go back there and click on none. Sorry, make sure you are only, sometimes this thing can be tricky. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Yes, so go back here and click on none to go. So you can do it to this, you can highlight this, go to this place, choose any shading you know. So that's it. So text alignment, this one is very important because you are going to be using it often in Microsoft Word document creation. It is the position of the text in the page. If you see alignment here, you see left alignment, Control L, center alignment, Control E. You should be learning these shortcuts. It makes work easy. Those shortcuts make work easy. See, right alignment and then justified, Control J. So now, as you can see, the default alignment is left, and you can see it's active. So if I want to make my text, maybe the heading of my document, I want to make it to be in center, I'm going to highlight it, and then I'll go to center alignment and I'll click on it. You see, if I want to make it to be right aligned, I'll click on it. You see, if I want to make it to be justified, justify is block form. Block form, so you kind of to drag the text to make it be in block form. So left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and once you're done, maybe you have center alignment here, you're done, you press enter, you notice that it continues with left alignment, and then you want to start the normal, it continued with center alignment, and you want to start off the next line of text with left alignment. Then your cursor is blinking here, as you can see, so you just go and click on the left alignment and you're free to go. So I will continue. Yeah, that's nice. So that's it. I think we have done justice to super and the subscript. We gave an example of it. Text effect, we gave an example of it. Shading, and then text alignment. Okay, let us see whether we can do more. Let's see if we can do more from our guide. Bullet and numbering. Okay, let's just add bullet and numbering to this class today. So bullet and numbering, if you want to number your work, your list, if you have a list of items that you want to number, you can use bullet and I have this first line, second line, and third line. So the numbering or the bullets will appear before, at the starting of the paragraph. You know, a paragraph is created when you press enter key. You use enter key to break one paragraph from another. So once there is enter key or return key, a paragraph is created, and that is a paragraph will have one bullet or one numbering. So that means that if I have something like this, these two lines, they are still one paragraph and not two. So if I add bullet to it, they will take one bullet. But if I come to this point just after this text, or here, okay, before this text, and then I press enter key,
I've broken this from this, so I now have two paragraphs, this and this, and when I add bullets, they will take two bullets. Okay, let me just show you practically.
I'll return this using my backspace. I'll highlight this entirely, then I'll go to bullet. See where I'm pointing? This is go to the triangular marker. You see assorted bullets. You can use this, you can use this, you can use this, you can use this. So use this. Click on it. See, they pick one because they are one paragraph. Even though they have two lines, they are still one paragraph. But then when I now come to this area, maybe I want this to form its own paragraph, I will need to use enter key to break this to go to the next line or to form a new paragraph. Press enter. You see, it carries, it now bears its own bullet. So now the same way, these are three lines. I'll highlight them straight up. I'll go to bullet and click on the triangular button. I'll pick. You can see the preview and choose any. If I want to remove them, I'll highlight. I will go back to the bullets. I'll click on none. See none here. I'll click on it. No bullet. So this one as well, I'll highlight it. I'll go to this place, bullets. I'll click on none. So just pretty the same way you can add numbering, maybe 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, Roman numerals, and so on. So if I want to use that, I'll use numbering. I'll highlight what I want numbered, then I'll go to this, click on the triangular marker. I'll pick the type of numbering that I want. If I want this, if I want this, if I want this, if I want A, B, C, D, if I want Roman numeral capital, if I want Roman numeral small, if I want ABCD small, if I want ABCD with brackets, so all of that. So I'll just, if I want simple number 1, 2, 3, I'll choose this. Okay, if I'll go back, I can choose to use 1, 2, 3 with dots. See it? It has dots. I'll go back. I can also choose to use 1, 2, 3 with bracket close. See, I can go back. I can choose to use alphabets as my numbering. Capitalized, I can choose to use alphabets, small case with dots. So you see, these things are easy. You can learn them easily. 1, 2, 3. If I don't need the numbering again, I'll go back there and I'll click on if I don't need the numbering, I'll go back there and click on none. You can see none here. Click on it and they are gone. So I hope you're learning this, because we are going to, after we must have completed this, we are going to work on a project with it. So thank you for listening. This is coming from the desk of SDS Tutorial Center, Silverlight Digital Solutions, and my name is Raphael Chuku. Thank you.